Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's poppin'? It's me, your girl, you know who, right? So I know I look like a KFC employee right now.
Pull on the side. Don't fix it. Don't fix it. Pull on the side.
We're going to do something. I would have went to I would have posted up some chicken that I fried and all of that, and a lot of people were asking me for the recipes. I was like, Dory, I have all the unlock. So this is why we have this spread happening right now. I would have already taken the opportunity of laying out the ingredients here for you. I will have everything listed in my description. So all your questions, your concerns, you're wondering the measurements, check my description. First and foremost, we have to season the chicken. Or actually, I should say first and foremost, we need to have the chicken. We have the chicken. This is one entire chicken in a Ziploc bag here. The reason why I place it in a Ziploc bag is so that when I put in the seasoning, it can marinate and all of that, right? Next up, seasoning. So to do that, I take my food processor. I'm sure every home probably owns one. And this is where I mix up the seasoning. All my knife matching back with my outfits. By the way, let me know in the comments down below if it is all looking like a KFC employee. And see, I have on my hat and thing, my little polo t-shirt. The only thing I'm missing is the logo. But don't worry, this is YFC, Yelena fried chicken. After I've placed all my seasoning inside of my food processor, I'm gonna add some cold water. The cold water is to help make the seasoning a bit thick, right? Then we process. Here we have all the seasoning coming together to form this aroma, this marinade to get inside the chicken. Yep. Listen, I done smelling it already and I'm feeling to sneeze. No horror, no horror. Yes. I think we're ready for them though. Oh my goodness, if y'all can see it. Now we take our chicken. Then we're gonna pour it in. Seasoning. This is what I call seasoning. So now that we have seasoning inside of our Ziploc bag, what I do is I seal it up. Make sure the little piece here is open so that any air can escape, because I don't want to have to be fighting with air when I'm working the seasoning into my chicken. Make sure I give it a good rubber dub dub. And you do this for like a minute or two, and then we can let it sit. Now I must let you guys know I didn't show you all, but I did make sure to break the thigh bone. When it's frying, it's not difficult to cook. You can let this sit for a day, a couple of days. You can let this sit for 1 to 2 hours, and then it's good to fry. But since I just showed you guys this, don't worry, I got a backup. I got a backup for my backup. So with my backup, I can continue with the frying process. By this time, we've moved on to the second step of our chicken, which is the breading step. 3 cups of flour inside my basin, and I have my seasoning, sugar, mustard powder, oregano, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder is what I add to my breading. Don't forget, all these ingredients will be in my description. So I shouldn't see anybody asking me in the comments, where's the ingredients? Because it's in my description. Waiters in my... Alright. So I'm gonna add it. Then I'm gonna just mix it like if we mix the dry ingredients. You need flour for bread now. This is what I have marinating 2 days now, right? So this is 2 days of marination we have happening here, guys. So you see how it looking? Lovely. Oh my god, I'm excited. Olha, it's looking so good. It looks so good inside of here. So this is my thigh, I believe. My drumstick. My breast. See this, it's huge. So now we have the chicken inside my flour, well, my breading I should say, because we've seasoned it. The secret process to this fried chicken is this process right now. Let me tell you, this is the most important part. So what you do is that you add your chicken to your breading and then you toss it, right? So that is what you're gonna see me doing here. So we're gonna be like kneading it into the flour, and I'm gonna do that 7 times. I think I lost track already, but small thing. Make sure the flour gets everywhere. When we are finished with getting the flour in it, what we do next is that we press it. This is so that we make the flaky flakes that everybody loves and look forward to, and what sets them apart, what sets the whole KFC chicken apart. Right, and the next thing I do is add the chicken to my water. I'm just knocking off the excess flour by doing this, but although I find it strange I had to go through all this, you really mean KFC people just go through all of this? Dip this thing in water just for the purpose, and this is to get the flakes, eh? This is work. Sometimes you just want to throw it to the flour and put it in the pot, but if you want that flake, you want a KFC vibe or a YFC vibe, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I make sure it's submerged in the water, and we still ain't finished because the flakes ain't started form properly yet. Can you believe that? No, we have more to go, honey. And then what I do now is swirl it about in the water. That way it's properly submerged. So I make sure I take my tongue and shake out all the excess water. See, it's not even dripping water anymore, and I reapply it to my flour. Yeah, only work for this flakes, you know, work for this flakes, but I know all you having the time, so all you could work hard and get all the flakes. And listen to me, when all you try, please tag me, share your photos. I want to see everything. I want to see everything. And then repeat the process one more time. And all this is happening while your oil warming up, right? Yes, you need to have your oil heating up to about I see some persons would have said 300 degrees. I'm not sure what I'm gonna have it at yet, most likely 340 degrees, and we're gonna fry it at that. When you're done breading, pressing it, breading, pressing, breading, pressing, what you have to do next is knock your wrists to shake off all the excess flour. You don't want too much flour in your oil. You know, that was to make the color a little outrageous. So you can knock your hands together like this, and there you get that really gorgeous flaky look. We are coming to come. Oh yeah, be ready to fry this thing. Alrighty, we reached the third and final part, which is the chicken actually frying. Yeah, it was our process. Just take my tongs and I place it in. Y'all can use your hands, it's fine, but I don't, if it is I can avoid touching it as much as possible, I would do so. I am placing it inside my basket. As you can see, I have an electric deep fryer. Thank the heavens, but I must let you know, if it is you want to use your normal pot and oil, it works perfectly just the same. Jahila hearing you? All the way down. So I have it set to 340 degrees, as I previously mentioned. My basket can't hold too much, so I was able to place in 3 pieces of chicken, and then I'm going to press it in. Now you let it sit in here for about 2 minutes first. The reason for that is so that you can shake the basket after, so that it does not stick up when it's frying. And then you let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. You might monitor it in and out to check. I do not have my thermometer, so I'm just gonna like stick a knife in there and see if it's properly fried. You know, it's the old time way. You stick a knife in a joint. If it's have blood, it still needs to fry. If not have blood, it don't need to fry.
A few moments later.
Alright, time for the taste test. Bro! A minute. I'm gonna let my brother taste it. So I now did my own fried chicken. Did my own chicken. How am I looking? Oh! Hell no!
Nah, yo, hold my poodle. Hold my poodle. Hey, yo.
Dude, I know give these people a full video talking about getting the chicken to look like KFC, and you go watch my thing and say looking homemade? Disrespectful.
Okay, girl, bye.
Time for you to taste one. No. Catch it with your hand.
sauce?
Dude, no, you're not trying to compromise the taste of it. Everyone tasting.
Very well. So, me when it is you eat like KFC chicken and stuff like that. Well, you know those things, it have its specific taste now. Whereas this is concerned, it tastes really great, and then I taste the spices in the flesh, not the skin or anything, but in the flesh of the chicken itself.
That's what we want to hear.
So, 15 out of 10.
15 out of 10. Listen.
I want to taste.
Okay, so you know my nephew asked me about taste. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comments and let me know if this is something that you'll try, if you've tried it before. I must say I am enjoying this and he is enjoying this. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend who want to know how to cook YFC. And until next time, bye.
National